Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how to set up a US bank account using Payoneer. This is a really simple tutorial video for freelancers and business owners outside the US who do not have social security number and want a US bank account. It's a really simple tutorial process and I try to make this tutorial video as short as possible. So the first thing to do is to Google search Payoneer. Once it comes up, you will see sign up and earn $25. So you click on that link there. Now guys, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you get informed every time I upload a new video. All right, so the thing with Payoneer is immediately you sign up, once your registration is successful, you get an email from Payoneer within 2 to 5 working days telling you that your account has been opened. Now this means that you now have a US bank account, you also have a Euro bank account and a GBP bank account. Now if you're a freelancer or a business owner outside the US, you know that this is really important to you because obviously you want to get paid by your international clients. Now the thing is, in as much as Payoneer is a great option, there are other alternatives. Like there's a better alternative that you can use to get your GBP, US and Euro bank account in just 30 minutes to 24 hours, and there's a link up there. If you click on it, you would see what I'm talking about. All right, so let's check out these options you can see and choose the best one that suits your needs. So when checking out these options, you want to be really careful and know exactly what it is that you want to use your Payoneer account for, or if you're opening for a client like I am in this video, you want to be sure what the client wants to use that Payoneer account for so that you will pick the right option that will suit your client's needs. All right, so this is an account I'm opening for a client like I said, so I'm just going to choose the individual option and then I'll click on register to get started. Please, one thing you must know is that be very careful when it comes to filling in your details. I am really begging you, like I wish I could kneel down and you would see me kneeling down. I am really begging you, please be careful when filling in your details because you don't want to go wrong with any detail. Trust me when I say you really don't want to encounter any issues with having a restricted account. And restricted account comes when one detail is wrong or when you fill in the wrong details or something and Payoneer just restricts your account, like they don't allow you open the account. And one thing with Payoneer is once you've opened an account, you can even open another one. So trying to contact the customer support, which by the way is not even supportive, is a really Herculean task. So please try to get all your details correct. Don't mix up details. Now when signing up on Payoneer, they will definitely ask you for a means of identification, so make sure that whatever country's means of identification you have, you use an address from that country. Like I hope this makes sense. Like if you live in Ghana or you have a Ghanaian passport, make sure that the address you fill in is from Ghana. If you live in Nigeria, make sure the address you fill in is from Nigeria. Don't fill in Nigerian passport details and then use a Ghanaian house address. Like your account could get restricted because it doesn't really add up that you live in Nigeria or you have a Nigerian passport and then you are using a Ghanaian address. All right, so what I'm just going to do is to fill in all these details behind the scenes because like I said, I am opening it for a client and I do not want to show most of what I'm doing. I'm just going to choose the individual option and then sign up for my client, fill in all the details down to the last step and come back to show you the results. So guys, if you are still watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do so, and also share with your other freelancer friends and business owner friends who you know will definitely need this video. Okay, now I've filled in all the details and it's time for me to put in my local bank account details. Now if you can see here, you will see Nigeria because that's my country of residence, right? So whatever country you are in, you'll be given the options, like your currency options. You can either choose your local currency or USD or Euro, depending on what is available to you. So whichever bank detail you feel you want to use, that's the one you should use. It doesn't really matter. Then the next thing you should do is to click on tick those 2 boxes that say you agree to the terms and conditions and that you agree to Payoneer processing fee, and then click continue. Then you see a message congratulating you that your account is processing. So the next thing you would see is an email from Payoneer telling you that your account will be open in 2 to 5 working days. And after the 2 to 5 working days or between the 2 to 5 working days, you'll get an email from them that your account has either been approved or restricted. But if after 3 days of opening your account you do not get any email from Payoneer, you might just want to try to log in with your email address and your password and see if it opens. Sometimes they don't really send an email to you telling you that your account has been opened, right? So this is why I also said I have an alternative showing you another way to get a US bank account in 30 minutes to 24 hours, and it is really easy. I also have another video showing you, or rather explaining to you, how that particular platform works. Like, you can just find it up there in the link. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the process. This is the end of this tutorial video. It's a really easy process, like I said earlier, and I hope that you put to practice what you just learned immediately. Try to open your account and let me know in the comments if it was successful. If you had any issues, just let me know what the process was like for you. Okay, I want to know, I want to get feedback from you. Let me know, and let me know if you also found this tutorial video really helpful to you. All right, I would really love to hear from you. Also, you can let me know in the comments which other type of tutorial video you want me to create for you. Maybe you've been having difficulty trying something, just let me know which tutorial video you want me to create for you, and I'll be happy to do just that. All right guys, so this is the end of today's video, and I want you guys to stay happy until my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to